Hi guys, let's face it, spring is coming, we all need something to look forward to, so we decided to help that process along a little bit at Boutique W, and we got our Planet shipment of spring sweaters, our first one, in early. The colors are just gonna make you so happy. Turquoise, in the classic rib, we can all wear it, small, large. Seafoam, let's remind you of the beach. Salmon, it's also of course gonna be available in black and white. Tried and true, a Planet classic, a little funky. She brought it back into the repertoire this year because it was in demand, the back hole sweater. It's a classic way, a little more stunning way to do a rip trend. If you don't like the rip trend on the jeans, take a touch of it in the sweater. When you do a tank top under it, you really get to see what's going on. If you're feeling a little sexy, wear nothing under it. This is wonderful, and this is a web exclusive. Actually, these are all only going to be online. They will be up in a few days. A basic, oversized, just a great black sweater, leggings, jeans, good transitional piece. This is a piece you're gonna want in every color. It's the best shoulder shelter out there. The new tattered cardi. It's short enough to wear with jeans and a tank top. It's also great to wear with sleeveless dresses. You know how I always talk about shoulder shelter? This is the perfect thing. Black, we have it in now. We're going to have it in white. We're gonna have it in steel. We're gonna have it in jute. You're gonna want it in every color. Just fun twists on classic with a little bit of color. Shocking pink was added to the spring colors this season, and it's fabulous. It looks amazing. Look at these colors. They're just yummy. The iris in this classic oversized little bit roll collar sweater. Then we've just got some tried and true clean black and white. Great now with black pants. Take it into the spring summer with white pants, white jeans. Pop of turquoise on a classic stripe. Can't go wrong. We're also gonna have this in other colors. The stripe is just gonna change. Another tried and true, the bungee sweater in the honeycomb. Great to start wearing now. Take it right through spring and summer. New sweater. No, we're gonna save that. I'm gonna show you. You know there's black. This sweater is called Runs. This is a new color, jute. It's just fabulous. You can do it off the shoulder. Jute, vanilla, white, of course black. There's a color that will also be on the web, maraschino. Okay, now we're gonna bring in Alicia with limited edition boxy tees. She is wearing the classic boxy tee, great for your taller girls, shorter girls, in the leopard print. This is also a limited edition. It was in the fall limited edition. It's brought back in the spring because it just did so well. You want to show the other classic boxy tee animal? Not the animal, the camo.
There it is.
So if you're not an animal girl, go for the camo. It's so cute. Take it right through spring and summer. Then of course, the boxy tee. Look at these colors, guys.
Yummy.
Turquoise, shrimp, iris, shocking pink. And of course, we're gonna have black, white, and navy. But for right now, we just thought it would be so much fun to bring in some color, make us feel good, throw them in our closet, and give us something to look forward to. Take these t-shirts right now, pop them under a black sweater. Here are another bestseller, the short sleeve V, right now in jute and steel. Thank you. Of course, it's gonna come in black and white. This is adorable. She's done this in nylon. She's done this in vegan, the drawstring jacket. But for spring, we're doing it in French terry. So, you know, the Netflix couture is kind of continuing a little bit until we're kind of free to roam around the cabin. For right now, comfort, fashion, color.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing, okay, I didn't order this for myself, but you do know I will be by the end of this day. This is a new matte jersey zigzag top. We were talking earlier, this would be amazing with color under it. Yeah, I will wear color under it. But just to give you so you can really see the zigzag.
Yeah.
This might not be the greatest way to show it to you, but just play with color. Especially with a piece like this. So this is what we've got for you. It'll be coming to the web within the week. There will be additional colors to be ordered, and let's start thinking spring. Take care. Thanks for watching.